online data collection direct to your database. At Alchemetrics, we aim to provide products and services that empower direct marketeers to achieve the best from their databases, large or small, in a simple, fast and cost-effective way as possible. The problem with databases is that marketeers frequently suffer enormous and often random gaps in the information they hold against their contacts. A typical database may include postal addresses for only 73%, email addresses for 60%, and mobile phone numbers for less than 10%. Only a small fraction of contacts will have all three appended. And that's just the basic contact information. Acquiring other demographic, lifestyle and transactional data can vastly improve the organization's ability to understand and interact with its contacts, but these data gaps will often be much more significant. Most marketeers simply cannot afford to move this incredibly valuable and recent data into their marketing databases due to this complexity. The solution is to simplify the process of data collection from the ground up. Informa DQS is a service that does exactly that, empowering organizations to manage data collection over the web and also via the call center, an in-store kiosk, or even through an EPOS system. Wherever questions are served and responses captured, Informa DQS loads the data directly back to the marketing database, enabling marketeers to immediately deploy customer communications that are relevant and up to date. DQS puts control with the marketeer, so the right contacts can be asked and the right questions in real time. Through Informa DQS, marketeers will have access to an immensely powerful tool that allows them to manage data collection interactively. Whether it's a customer registration, a competition, or even to obtain feedback on a new product or service offering, Informa DQS will allow marketeers to create and use specific question sets tailored to the contact. Once created, the Informa DQS user can amend or completely change questions themselves, without having to waste time and resource employing a web developer to code the necessary changes. And now for the dynamic bit. With Informa DQS, organizations have the ability to personalize interactions across any digital contact point, dynamically serving questions that are relevant to each contact and designed to fill the gaps in your marketing database. Comprehensive drag-and-drop interface allows the system to be configured to present only those questions where the required information is unknown, placing relevance at the forefront of data collection. Before serving a question, Informa DQS interrogates the marketing database, identifies the gaps or what is already known about a contact, and serves the relevant questions based on that knowledge. One contact might be asked for their postal and email address, while another, who has already provided this information, will be served questions about their age and gender. Once you know age and gender, a young woman can be asked about her online shopping preferences, an older man if they enjoy motorsports. The possibilities for the brand, for partners and even advertisers are truly limitless. Skillful data collection. Informa DQS allows the user to define how many questions from each set should be presented to a contact at any given time. 2 or 3 questions are less intrusive and therefore more likely to be completed than an entire survey. Larger groups of shorter questions might be served, while those that require greater complexity could be presented in more manageable groups. With this flexibility, questions can be tactically served wherever there is interaction with your brand, so contacts constantly feed the marketing database, keeping their own profiles fresh and rich. The capabilities of Informa DQS also mean that an order of priority can be applied to the questions being served, ensuring the most pertinent or immediately valuable information is obtained first. Batch data entry. The challenge faced with managing a marketing automation systems today is that marketeers expect their database to have a high degree of flexibility, so it's able to grow in line with their business objectives. Informa DQS batch delivers on such demands by ensuring your online and offline data can be loaded back to your marketing database simply and efficiently. In batch mode, users of Informa DQS are able to configure a set of questions to meet a specific file structure and then upload the data directly into the database for immediate use, all without assistance or incurring the cost of additional technical resources. A powerful benefit in today's real-time dominated marketing landscape. Using the responses. Accessing this rich and valuable data could not be easier. The most powerful solution to manage and utilize a database is Alchemetrics' Informa platform. Alchemetrics offers a choice of FastStats or Informa quick counts to provide rapid access to vast volumes of data, including the data collected and loaded through Informa DQS. Informa matches and loads response data into the marketing database and makes it available for custom analysis or marketing campaign selections. Standard data such as the date of birth or email is loaded into existing database fields, while specialized survey questions are loaded into their own response fields, building an ever more dynamic and accurate profile of the individual contact. Where an organization's marketing database is managed elsewhere, Alchemetrics provides an interface that allows the technical or marketing team to access the DQS question sets and responses, enabling them to extract and load data back into their own marketing database whenever required. Choosing Informa DQS will transform digital communication with your contacts. It will be simply the best direct marketing decision you'll ever make. Revolutionized online strategy. Give complete control to the marketeer. Eliminate the need for web developers. Ask what is relevant. Centralize control of all online data capture. Online data directly to your database. Empowers true marketing automation. Use online data within hours for campaigns. Fills the gaps in your marketing database. Affordable. You only pay for collected data. Remove cost of expensive programmers and tighter control of your marketing budgets. Increase the value of your marketing database. Personalized customer interaction, real-time customer communication. Ask only what is relevant. And use statistical models in data collection. Simplicity. Drag and drop interface for building questions. Designed for marketeers. Flexible question types. Creating a question set that asks men about lads magazines takes seconds. Speed to market. Respond to topical events by asking relevant questions as a story breaks. Within hours, use the responses to drive campaign activity. For more information, visit www.alchemetrics.co.uk now.